What is up, mathletes? Welcome back to Dr. Math Studios, where we're cooking up another problem for you. So today we're going to talk about two things. Number one, we're going to show you how 1 is equal to 2. And number two, we're going to talk about why you should not put Twinkies on your pizza.
Don't put Twinkies on your pizza.
All right, so let's go ahead and let's jump in this. Let's go ahead and start this proof off right. So we're gonna go ahead and you can't see that yellow. Let's make it blue. So we're gonna let A equal B. So we're gonna pick two variables and we're gonna set them equal to each other. So A and B take two variables, set them equal to each other. All right, so now we're gonna multiply both sides by A. All right, so again, this is an equation. So algebraically, we're all set. We're just gonna multiply both sides by the same number. So we're gonna multiply both sides by A. So if I multiply my left-hand side by A, notice you're gonna get A times A, which is A squared. And if I multiply my right-hand side by A, we get AB. All right, so go ahead. Are we good there? Check it out. All right, so next step. According to algebra, right, our algebraic properties, I could go ahead and subtract some number from both sides too. So I'm going to take b squared and I'm going to subtract it from both sides. So I'm going to take b squared and subtract b squared from both sides. Excellent. All right, so if you remember from your algebra class, now we have a difference of squares here. All right, so I'm going to be able to factor this using the difference of squares. And here, these both have a b in common. So let's go ahead and factor out a b. So here we go. So using our difference of squares, we're left with a plus b times a minus b. So that's what we have on our left-hand side. And on our right-hand side, we factor out the b, and you're left with a minus b. All right, notice they both have a minus b. So let's go ahead and divide that out, cancel those out. So we cancel out the a minus b's, right? Divide both sides by a minus b. And we're left with a plus b equals b. If we take a look up here where we started, we said that a is equal to b. So wherever you see an a, we could put a b right there. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're left with b plus b equaling b. So b plus b, so we're left with 2b, or not to be, that is the question, equals b. And now I could divide both sides by b, right? And we're left with 2 equals 1. And there you have it, folks. You heard it here first, that 2 equals 1. So somewhere in here, right, mathematically, we did a mathematical no-no. So press pause and I want you to try to find out where in the heck did we go wrong, and comment down below before you go ahead watching the rest of this video. So check it out, folks, the cardinal sin. This is why it's important to make sure you understand your mathematical properties, or else you'll be making up all kinds of math like I see in my math classes. So I love exam days because on exam days, I learn all kinds of new math tricks for my students. So check this out. Right here, we said that a equals b. So when we subtract a minus b, if these two are equal, that's just 0, right? They cancel each other out. And what did we say? We divided both sides by 0. Right? That's a mathematical no-no. Cannot do that. No se puede, right? You cannot do that. So this is where we went wrong. So if you see those videos out there trying to prove that 1 equals 2, this is what they did wrong. All right, folks. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I'm out of here. Peace.